Good morning, everyone! Are you looking for healthy, delicious, and easy breakfast ideas to start your day off right? You're in the right place. Today, we're sharing 5 simple and nutritious breakfasts that are perfect for seniors or anyone who wants to fuel their body with wholesome, energizing foods. These recipes are quick to make, packed with nutrients, and taste amazing. Let's get started. First up, we have overnight oats, a no-cook, make-ahead breakfast that's perfect for busy mornings. Simply mix rolled oats with your favorite milk, whether it's dairy or plant-based, add a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and top with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Oats are high in fiber, which is great for digestion and heart health, while berries provide antioxidants, and nuts add healthy fats and protein. Pop this in the fridge overnight, and it's ready to grab and go in the morning. Next, let's upgrade the classic avocado toast. Start with a slice of whole grain bread for extra fiber, then mash half an avocado on top. For a protein boost, add a poached or scrambled egg, and sprinkle with a pinch of salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes for a little kick. Avocados are packed with healthy fats that support brain health, and eggs are a great source of protein to keep you full and energized all morning. Loving these breakfast ideas so far? Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips to support your wellness journey. Now, let's move on to our next delicious breakfast. Here's a breakfast that feels like a treat but is super healthy: a Greek yogurt parfait. Start with a base of plain Greek yogurt, which is high in protein and probiotics for gut health. Add a layer of your favorite granola for crunch, and top with fresh fruit like bananas, strawberries, or blueberries. This parfait is not only delicious, but also balanced with protein, fiber, and natural sweetness. It's a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth while staying healthy. Eggs are a breakfast staple, and this veggie-packed omelette is a fantastic way to start your day. Whisk 2 eggs, pour them into a hot pan, and add your favorite veggies. Spinach, bell peppers, tomatoes, and onions are all great choices. Eggs are a complete protein, and the veggies add vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Plus, this omelette is quick to make and keeps you full for hours. Finally, let's make a smoothie bowl. Blend frozen bananas, spinach, a handful of berries, and a splash of almond milk until smooth. Pour it into a bowl and top with granola, chia seeds, and sliced fruit. Smoothie bowls are a fun way to pack in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're also refreshing and perfect for warmer mornings. And there you have it. 5 healthy and delicious breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. Whether you're looking for something quick, hearty, or refreshing, these recipes have you covered. Try them out and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more healthy tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.